Good morning, children. Welcome back again in computer class. Dear children, today we are going to start chapter number 5, that is knowing Windows 7. Now, children, what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is the operating system developed by Microsoft Corporation. So, we can say Windows 7 acts as the interface between the user and the hardware. That is, Windows 7 acts as a medium between you, user means you people who are working on the computer, and the hardware of the computer. You will give instructions to the operating system, and operating system will give that instructions into the hardware of the computer. Now, children, you can see this window in my computer. I have Windows 7 operating system, and this is the icon of the Windows 7. You can see this four tiles. This is the icon of the Windows 7 operating system. Now Windows 7 operating system, you can see this window, the first window when we turn on the computer system, and the first window that we see on our computer screen, that is the welcome window. That window is known as the desktop. Now in this desktop you can see this pointer, that ma'am is moving this pointer. This is known as mouse pointer. So I am moving the mouse of the computer. So this pointer is also moving. So it shows the mouse pointer. Now in your computer you can see there are small pictures on your computer screen. These pictures are known as the icons. So icons are the different programs. Every icon on the desktop represents different programs. An icon can be opened. How we can open this icon? By double clicking with mouse button. I can double click this icon and I can open this file. So all these icons are different files. These are the different programs. Now children, you can see this pointer. This is the mouse pointer. You have also already seen desktop. Now children, if you want to see the date, today's date and time, you can see here. On my right side, you can see this 7:45 and 27:09. So this is the date and time of the computer system. You can change the date and time of the computer system by clicking here. When I will click here, here you can see the option change date and time settings. So you can change your date and time settings of the computer. Now children, you can see here this long horizontal bar at the bottom of the computer screen. This long horizontal bar is known as the taskbar. So you have to remember this long bar at the bottom of the computer screen is known as taskbar. And this taskbar contains start button. This is the start button on my computer on its left corner and the clock on its right corner. So this is the window. This is the file that I have opened. Now so you can see how to open file. You have to click on the icon by double clicking it. Now I will close it. Now start button. This is the most usable part of the desktop. You can start any program. You can launch any of the window features through this start button. Now I will click on the start button. Now you can see this menu. This menu is the start menu. So I can open any program through this menu. Suppose you want to open MS Word. I have to click all programs. First I will click here all programs. Then I have to find Microsoft Office. Here you can see Microsoft Word 2010. So I have opened the window of Microsoft Word 2010. So you can see the window is opening. Now this is the Microsoft Word. Now in this window, you can see there are many options. Now children, you can see one thing here. Every program that we open in our computer system, that program icon add on the add in the taskbar. You can see if I don't want to see this window, I can click here. So this window will be minimized. Now you can see this icon, this W icon shows the Microsoft Word document that is minimized, and that icon is in the taskbar. So whenever we open any document, that document icon is in the taskbar. If I want to open it again, I will click here again. So I can open my MS Word window. Now in this MS Word window, you can see this the topmost bar, the name of this bar. You can see this red line. This is the title bar. Here you can rename it. If you want to name this file with your name, you can click on File. Then you will click on Save As. Now save as. Now I want to rename this file as APS Udhampur. So what I will do? Now this window is open. Now here you will press backspace key from the keyboard and you will write APS Udhampur. Fine. And you will click on the save button. So you can see here that now the name of this file is APS Udhampur. So this is the title bar of the program. So this title bar presents on every program. So the topmost bar of any program is known as the title bar. That title bar shows the name of the document. Now you can see here, this is the minimize button. Minimize button means if you want to remove this window from your main screen, if you are not using this window, I can click on this button, minimize button. Now what happens? Now I'm not able to see that screen. I can see my this screen, desktop screen. So minimize button will minimize the window. This minimize button will reduce the window to an icon. That is reduce the window to an icon. इसने window को reduce किया, छोटा कर दिया. Now next is maximize button. Maximize button means you can maximize the size of the screen. Now when I have clicked on the maximize button, what happens? The size of the window reduced. Now if I again want to get my full size screen back, I have to click again on this maximize button. इस मैक्सिमाइज बटन को फिर से क्लिक करूंगी तो साइज पूरी विंडो की आ जाएगी, पूरे कंप्यूटर की स्क्रीन नजर आएगी मुझे. तो मैक्सिमाइज मीन्स टू enlarge the window screen. Windows screen. So maximize will enlarge a window to its maximum size, and minimize button will reduce the icon on the taskbar. Now next you can see this is the cross button. Cross button means this is a close button. If I will click on this close button, this application will be closed. So this will not be present in taskbar also. From here also it will get removed. Now you can see various tab buttons. Home tab, insert tab, page layout tab. So these are the various tab buttons on the MS Word window. You can see this panel, this is the ribbon. So this is the ribbon. Now ribbon displays group of related command in the tab. Each tab offers shortcut buttons to command tasks. Now next one is, you can see here, this is the quick access toolbar. So this quick access toolbar has some of the important buttons that we frequently use in our application. जो कुछ ऑप्शन जो हम बार बार यूज करते हैं अपने विंडो में, you can see that options here in the taskbar. This is the save option, this is undo option, this is redo option. So obviously whenever you want to open whenever you open any document and you want to save it, don't go on file option and click on save. Simply click on this save as option. Fine, this will save your file. Now I want to close this window. So if I want to close this window, which option I have to use? Cross button. So thank you children. Stay home. Stay safe children.